Content que nous pas déplacer, nous être branchés, nous continuer avec l'émission. J'aime dire nous avec nos trois invités. Nous allons balancer un peu parce que de là d'ailleurs c'est anglais seulement parler, mais nous avons haïtien ensemble avec nous cap là, cap aider nous et bien comprendre comment information que y a partagé ensemble avec nous. Nous balancer un peu, okay? Just don't be afraid. Okay, first of all, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for coming here because we are in need of information and our country, we need education. And first of all, I would like to ask you to tell us about yourself a little bit, where you're from and why you're here.
Sure. So my name's Anthony Febles. I'm from Stamford, Connecticut, and I am a recent law school graduate and an immigration consultant. And the reason I'm here is to assist people in accessing information that would help them achieve a better outcome in the immigration process.
Great. How about you?
My name is Brendan Durgan. I'm from Boston, Massachusetts. I've been an attorney practicing immigration law in Boston for about 10 years. I'm here because Anthony's my best friend, and he asked me if I would be willing to basically come in with him and help him out doing what he's trying to accomplish, and I'm pleased to do.
Good. Thank you. Thank you.
My name is Ricardo Zenas. I'm in the healthcare industry. I'm here because same reason, because Anthony is a very good friend of mine, and when he came to me with this idea about the immigration, I thought it would be very helpful for our people, the community, and everything to know, to have that education and knowledge about what they need to do.
Awesome. Then can you tell us a little bit about where you're from?
I'm from Haiti, so Miragwan, de fait Miragwan, so I'm venu depuis 10 ans. I'm ici depuis 10 ans, so I'm going to Anthony for several years, and it's been over 10 years. Well, it's 15,
Longer than
15,
I would count.
So, I'm là pour supporter lui, et puis pour m'aider Haïtiens n'importe gens nous capables.
Okay, this is exactly what we are looking for because, like back home, we always say, at least like each one of us has a family here, either a mother, father, or a friend. You know, we have somebody here that we count on. And now what happens is sometimes we don't have the correct information. Like when we got here, what's the first thing to do? Or if we're in process of moving here, what would be the first step? Can you please help us? I mean, just give us, light us on this point.
I think one of the best things that somebody should do when they arrive here is to contact an attorney or contact somebody who has formal knowledge about the process. I think one of the mistakes many people make is they consult with their friends or family members who may or may not know the rules. And I think one of the best ways that people can protect themselves and know what their rights are in a process is to speak to somebody who is qualified to answer those questions. An attorney comes to mind, but there are other organizations that can provide the correct information. And that's really what the goal is to get the proper information. And as I mentioned, an attorney or an agency or an organization would be the first choice. But really, they should be thinking about this before they come here. And I think having some conversations before they arrive here would assist in figuring out what the most appropriate avenue would be for somebody.
Thank you, Anthony. M'a juste fait élaborer un peu de ça, Anthony Soudien, parce que l'émission ça allait passer tout côté. Aux États-Unis, moi qui parle anglais déjà comprendre ça, Anthony dit. Et maintenant, si on en Haïti, je pense que Jean Otabdili, en pile haïtien, il y a une famille qui vit ici. Et il y a un pile là-dedans qui mal informé ou qui ne pas informé du tout de process de en fait l'arrivée ici là qui premier pas tu as fait. eh bien, Anthony lui-même lui suggérait que, eh bien, si moun ou rive boy sit là, ou bien depuis en Haïti, ou connaît que ou gagne des moun cap régler des activités pour ta vraiment pour ta move boy sit, eh bien, l'important que pour connaître de pour rive boy si, c'est premier ça pour ta faire, c'est pour ta contacter un avocat. Pas n'importe qui avocat, mais un monde qui est spécialisé dans cause immigration. Parce que l'important pour nous connaître qui côté pour nous aller, parce que l'ovini boy sit là, ou juste parler avec un ami, un monde qu'on rencontre qu'on pas même connaît, mon capable de mauvaise information et en pile fois c'est pas parce que mon gagne mauvaise intention, c'est juste parce que le pas connaît. Il juste penser que ben c'est ça pour ta faire. Et puis eh bien on arrive là ou bloqué ou pas comprendre qui ça pour faire parce que ou joindre une mauvaise information. L'important pour nous connaître qui est-ce qui côté pour nous aller, qui genre de monde pour nous contacter. And now, Brandon, I would love you to tell us a little bit. You guys are different in different states. How do you connect?
Well, we connect, first and foremost, immigration law is federal law. So the fact that we're in different states, legally it doesn't matter. The way we connect is we use like Skype or FaceTime over the phone. The drive down from Boston isn't really that long, so I come down pretty easily and pretty often. And we spend a lot of time on the phone, and especially Anthony and I, consulting about people who need help, and that's the way we do it. I do my best to direct Anthony and anybody that he's talking to certain resources that may be able to help them, and then Anthony takes it from there.
Then, which means you help mostly people living in Connecticut, or you also
Anywhere.
In touch with people like living in Boston?
Oh, I have people that I've helped from many different states, all across the continent, and basically I have clients right now who are located overseas, every continent except for Antarctica. So we're pretty wide ranging. We're willing to help anybody from anywhere, so long as they need the help.
Okay, then which means you are not an organization. We are just some individuals who are just willing to give a hand.
I don't know if I characterize us as just individuals. We've come together. We like to call ourselves a team.
Okay.
And perhaps maybe later down the line we might formalize our group. But for now, we're content with just trying to help people and get our names out there.
Okay, then how many of you are together?
There's
in
four
the
of
team?
us. There's four of us.
There's four of us. There's myself, Brendan, Raul Duperville, and my colleague from El Salvador, Carlos.
So that would be five.
And then Ricardo is our technical advisor. And so you're right, that's five of us, pardon me.
Yeah. We all bring our own skills to the table.
Okay.
As you can see, Ricardo speaks Creole, which is helpful.
Okay, which means no need to, worry, nous pas besoin d'inquiéter nous, c'est que nous pas bon en anglais, on a toujours un monde qui traduit pour nous, qui aide nous. Eh bien, nous allons prendre une autre pause avec une musique Richie. Monsieur, c'est un artiste que nous en pile nous apprécions en pile. Il fait une musique sur Cap Haïtien, monde qui vit au Cap yo. Donc on est, il aurait aimé faire challenge, il aurait aimé parler de pays de qui côté au sorti, il est fier de pays. Eh bien, nous allons entendre Richie dans la musique ça, Cap Haïtien je t'aime, comment lui-même l'a expliqué, eh bien comment il aime pays à travers la musique ça.